From Twitter to X, Elon Musk raised an iconic internet brand. Elon Musk recently explained why he decided to rebrand Twitter to X and noted that it's more than just a name change. Instead, it represents his plans to create an everything app. Musk's plans for X to expand to add comprehensive communications and the ability to conduct your entire financial world. However, still it's a move that many business analysts consider risky, undoing years of branding behind Twitter's Bluebird. The Twitter name made sense when it was just 140-character messages going back and forth, like birds tweeting, but now you can post almost anything for several times. On his latest post today on Twitter, he said, and he wrote that something special coming soon. So, do you like the new logo? What is your reaction and opinion about this? Comment down below and subscribe.